Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming basic systems. Fuel, battery, oil. Don't skip this because electrical or fuel issues mimic engine faults. Plug an OBDROMAN2 scanner into the DLC, read stored and pending codes, and note freeze frame data for RPM, temp, and load. Once you have the codes, look up probable systems affected and rule out simple causes like a loose gas cap or recent service changes. Make sure to save or photograph results for the next steps. With codes in hand, you prioritize sensors and systems most likely responsible and test them systematically. Use a multimeter and live data stream to confirm MAF, O2, MAP, and TPS readings under load. Check for inconsistent voltages or slow response. Physically inspect vacuum lines, intake boots, PCV and ignition coils for cracks or carbon buildup. Once done, verify wiring and connectors for corrosion or broken pins, and clear codes if repairs are made to confirm the issue, won't immediately return. You complete repairs by installing the correct replacement parts and reconnecting any disconnected hoses or connectors. Always torque fasteners to spec. Clear stored codes and perform a controlled test drive while monitoring live parameters to confirm stable sensor responses and proper fuel trims. If the engine management light comes back, rescan for new or persistent codes, recheck wiring and grounds near the repair, and consider advanced diagnostics or dealer-level tools if intermittent faults persist. That single troubleshooting step often resolves elusive issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.